We begin with this, a look outside, and it basically looks like Mars. Millions of Americans are under air quality advisories as smoke from hundreds of wildfires in Canada continues to drift south, causing dangerous conditions.
Now, this is a shot of New York City's Central Park. Errol and I have been watching this just in the last few moments, seeing how it's continued to progressively get worse.
Yeah.
The city's mayor warning about the health effects as schools across the city cancel outdoor activities.
We recommend vulnerable New Yorkers stay inside, and all New Yorkers should limit outdoor activity to the greatest extent possible. This is not the day to train for a marathon or to do an outside event with your children.
All right, so if you're looking for an excuse not to run a marathon or train, the mayor is giving you that excuse today. As of this morning, get this, New York ranks in the top 5 cities with the worst air pollution on the planet. Joining us now is our own Lilia Luciano, braving it outside. Lilia, yesterday you and I joked that sometimes we take the same running routes. I didn't run this morning specifically because of this smog. What does it feel like, and how is it impacting people's day-to-day?
Yeah, Errol, I'm glad we both chose not to run this morning. And as we heard from the mayor, it is not safe. It is not wise to do so. Schools are canceling outdoors activities, and it's not appetizing. When I was talking to Vlad and Anne-Marie just about an hour, 2 hours ago, I couldn't smell the campfire smell, that very particular smell that all of us who've lived in the West Coast have experienced at some point. It's now thick. It's heavy. I smell it a lot. Our crew, they're wearing masks as is recommended. And as you can see right behind, it's just, you can't see across the Hudson. You're both familiar with this view. You can usually see across the Hudson River. You can't right now. So it feels very uncomfortable. I was a little bit short of breath when I was walking around the DC earlier at the broadcast center. And it feels very unusual for New York. It's also odd because of the wind. I mean, you would expect that this much wind, I had to pick up my hair, would move the smoke. But the reality is that the fires in Canada are so many. There's more than 150. They're burning such vast portions of land. More than 9 million acres have been burning. That, this is precisely, there's too much smoke for this little wind that we're feeling to make it pass through, and we can expect that this will go on for days. Mayor Adams warned that, all the way maybe into Saturday, and that Canada has these fire warnings that are going to last the whole summer. So we can experience multiple times this pretty awful experience well into August.
So Lilia, given how unusual, how bad it is here in New York, what's the situation like for people in Canada?
Well, over there, the air at this moment, I was just reading that in Ottawa, things have cleared a little bit, but it comes and goes. And Canada has been experiencing weeks of wildfires. I mean, this is something that we're just starting to cover now. Of course, this is an unprecedented event here in New York, in places like Delaware is awful, and across Pennsylvania. But in Canada, it's been happening, and they have been experiencing not just the wildfires, which have devastated a great deal of the land, but also the poor air quality. So it's really a regional thing, and it's kind of record breaking. So I was just looking at some numbers from the Weather Channel and some graphics, and they were explaining that over the last 10 years, there's an average of how much has burned yearly for the U.S. and for Canada. In these 6 months, and that's for a whole year, for 12 months, in these 6 months, Canada has already burned more than the yearly average for both the U.S. and them.
And
so
wildfire season,
things are bad.
Yeah, wildfire season is still around the corner. It doesn't officially start until July. All right, Lilia, thank you.
Thanks, Lilia.